Let's dive into how to utilize the Models dashboard in Paradime's Radar Suite. This tool provides extensive insights into the performance and dependencies of your DBT model, assisting your team in monitoring, optimizing, and making decisions to improve the efficiency and reliability of your data pipeline. The Models dashboard is split into two main sections, Overview and Detailed. We'll explore each section and its crucial features. We'll begin with the Overview section, where a snapshot of model performance and metrics can be obtained over the selected time range. The chart Current Models by Materialization Type provides a summary of how various models are materialized, displaying a distribution of table, view, incremental, and snapshots. This aids in assessing and optimizing materialization strategies for enhanced performance and cost efficiency. The Current Model Run Status chart displays the latest statuses of model runs, such as success, error, or skipped. This view helps in understanding the present condition of your models and pinpointing immediate issues that require attention. The Daily Executed DBT models count by status tracks daily execution status, highlighting successes, errors, and skips. By monitoring these daily trends, models that require optimization or adjustment to increase success rates can be identified. The DBT Model Runtime Performance chart showcases key metrics like the mean, minimum, and maximum execution times of models. This helps you identifying models with consistently long execution times, providing opportunities for improvement. The Models Executed by Schedules chart illustrates how models are utilized across different schedules. This helps in identifying models that are part of multiple schedules, ensuring critical models have proper testing and monitoring in place. Additional information about each model can be viewed using the drop-down menu. Now, let's dive into the detailed section for a more in-depth analysis of individual models. At the top, you can filter by date range and also select an individual model for analysis. High-level metrics, such as the number of times the model was invoked successfully, the number of errors, and the model success rate, are displayed at the top. This helps in understanding the frequency of model execution and the load it imposes on the data pipeline. The Succeeded Model Duration chart tracks the duration of successful runs, and each data point can be hovered over to see the individual run duration and the timestamps. This helps you identify potential bottlenecks and a focus on reducing execution times for better performance. Finally, at the bottom, the Scheduled Latest Run Execution chart provides detailed information about the latest runs that include the model. Reviewing the specific commands and configurations used in these schedules ensures consistent performance across executions.